please, before we go further, if you are looking for get rich quick way to make money, please, this video is not for you. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 legit products you can sell online to make money. And the number 3 is the one I'm super excited about because that is my field. That's what I'm currently doing. So without further ado, let's get this video started. The first product I have here is fashion items and fashion accessories. Please, before we go further, if you are looking for get rich quick way to make money, please, this video is not for you. But if you're looking for a steady, consistent, legit way, please, you're welcome. Let's go ahead with this video. I'll show you a clip of a lady that sells this thrift. She owns a thrift store and she's post her wares on YouTube. I was even surprised. It wasn't even Instagram or Shopify or this common or Jumia or all these popular websites. She just posted it on YouTube Shorts, simple YouTube Shorts, and she's making money from it. So I don't know why people just has made this so, oh, I need to have a shop, I need to have, no, you can start from your home, make a video, you can post it on YouTube Shorts, you can post it on your Instagram page, you can post it on Facebook, you can post it on your WhatsApp or any other platform you are, and you will sell. The only thing I want you to do, please, don't sell everything. At least be known for one or two things. Because when you sell everything, you just get people confused. What exactly you want to sell? Is it male clothing? Or is it female clothing? Or is it baby clothing? You can't sell all of them now. Abba. At least focus on one. Don't sell everything at the same time. That's the first one. Number 2 I have here is ebooks. Yes, you can sell ebook. What are you like a master in? You don't even necessarily need to be a master in, because I don't believe that it's only when you know something that you can sell about that. If you can do research, you can make findings of, okay, let me create an ebook on, let me put how to, which ebook will sell. And don't just make any kind of ebook. You start complaining that you're not selling. Look at the current trend, the relevant things people want and people are in need of. Why not? Okay, let me say, okay, you can create an ebook of how to relocate to Canada, something like that. Or you can create an ebook on how to start a laundry business. There are people that that would love to go about it, but they don't really know how to go about it. They'll gladly buy your ebook. So do your findings, look at the market trend. You can create an ebook for that, and wherever you are, whether it's on your Facebook page or your Instagram page or your YouTube description, you can put the link there, that, and you say it in your video. There's a link if you like to start a laundry business. I have a book for you to buy, and it goes for an affordable price. Please go to check the description box. No, this is not an advert. I'm just giving you an example so you understand what I'm saying. So just check the description box for the link to the book, and that book will take them to a page for buying. You can use Shopify, but I think one of the best platform now to sell any digital product is Seller. Oh gosh, those people are the best. They are too much. You can receive money from anywhere. The only thing, they will just convert the currency and pay you in your own currency. For example, someone wants to pay me from South Africa or from Canada, person pays and seller converts it to Naira for me and send it to my bank account. The only thing you do is that ensure you let the client know or the customer know that they'll be the one to pay the charges. Because if you're the one paying the charges, you are the one sort of losing. Because if your product is going for, let's say, 10,000 and they're removing charges, your money will be minus 10,000, minus the charges. But if the charges is on the client, your money will be in full. Next that I have here, number 3, I love this one, is online courses. Yeah, that is where I am, and that's where the money is right now. So do you have what you can any course you can probably sell online. A friend said he's selling Amazon KDP. When he told me that, I was like, sorry, what's the meaning of Amazon KDP? And he just explained some jargons. I'm not really used with selling on Amazon or buying on Amazon, so I don't really know anything. But he said he's making money. That surprisingly, people are buying his course. That he adverts on, I think he adverts on Facebook and Instagram, and people are buying the course without him doing nothing, right? He has already designed the course and post the link out there and runs advert on it, and he's making money. Me, what I currently do is I have a 3 month class to learn French in 3 months at your own pace, and it will covering the 4 phases that we need. That's the learning, the writing, the speaking, and the reading. So if you like to learn French, what are you waiting for? You need to build this your international relevance. The world's going global now, and there'll be a time is come where they will start picking. Like, okay, when you submit your CV and say, "Oh, I can speak English," somebody submit his or her CV and say, "Oh, I'm bilingual. I speak English and I speak Francais." What do you think they'll pick first? Of course, the person that speaks Francais, the person that speaks French. So do well. The link is here. Send me a message directly. I'm collaborating with Wazo on this. And that 3 months, you're going to have fun in it. So the next I have here is food items. I don't know if people are maximizing the potential of this food business. This food business can never ever run dry. This is one of the basic necessities that humans need. Everybody needs food. So now, strategically position yourself on how you can sell that food business online. And it's not necessarily only when I say you are selling rice, cooked food. You can do raw food businesses. I sell this and you post it. Utilize your YouTube. You are using your data to watch me. Do you know that same YouTube that you have? You can run these adverts yourself and just post on your YouTube page. This is what you do, and direct them, make a video there and link the video on your Instagram page or your Facebook, that they can always come back to watch that video, that, oh, this is how the food looks like, right? Because when you put it on Facebook, after a while, the Facebook wall pushes those videos downward. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Same as Instagram. Instagram, you have to look at how they look for the pictures. But when the is on YouTube, you've made a video on YouTube, you can link it up, send the link, attach it to your Instagram or your Facebook, and anytime, any year they want to see, oh, she sells stockfish. Let me look at how it is. You already have a standard page or a standard video where they can always fall back to at any time. You understand? So the food business, it doesn't run dry. It cannot run out of business. So see, I'm giving you a secret, a free business secret. In fact, I need to sell this course, how to start your food business. But don't worry, I'm cooking that. When I'm ready for it, I will let you know. So the last one I have here is yes, last one I have here is video editing services. You know, video editing. Hmm. Video editing showed me pepper. I know I love doing video editing, but it is time consuming. You edit video like this. You edit, take back, animation, add this, cut, trim, add music. Oh God. It's time consuming. And if you know you're not passionate about it and you're into this, you are a content creator, you have your product you want people to edit, please outsource it. Some of my videos on YouTube, I outsource the editing because I can't keep myself. Oh, I can't do everything actually. So there's a lady on YouTube. I'm going to show you her YouTube page. What she does is video editing. I think she also sells courses. So on her YouTube page, she just pushes out video editing, content, and the like. I'm very sure that lady will be making, even if I don't know if she's monetized, but whether she's monetized or not, I'm sure she'll be making money from doing that on YouTube. She also run classes or trainings or something like that. So I think that's another thing where you can look at making money with these five.